guys, welcome back. So today I'm very excited because I'm going to be doing my first PR unboxing today, or unpackaging. It's not really a box, but it's an envelope. So yeah, I'm super excited about that. So I'm going to be telling you about who sent me the package, and then I'm going to show you each and every item that they sent me. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you probably don't know this, but I have already opened this technically, and on Instagram I did show all the items. I hadn't used any of them or really done anything other than just look at it. But let's just go ahead and get started. I'm really excited to start to get into this and show you guys. Alright, so everything was packaged pretty nicely. I mean, it was all in this really cute paper, the company's name on it. But let me go ahead and just tell you about the company and how I got sent this package. So I'm gonna probably over here, I'll have a picture of their Instagram page on here. So the brand is Aviva Cosmetics. Someone from that page contacted me asking if I wanted to review some of their products, and I said yes. And so that's just how this happened. Yeah, so the brand is called Aviva Cosmetics. Again, thank you so much, Aviva, for sending me these items. Alright, so the first thing in the little package is this little baggie, and it has a card in it and one of their business cards, so I'll do a little close-up of that. So this card here, it says what they do. So they have lashes and they have handcrafted cosmetics and jewelry. So I'm just going to do a close-up of that. I hope you guys can see. So it looks like it has their Facebook, their Instagram, and their website, and an email. And then of course the back is their logo. It's very cute. I really like their logo, or their brand name. Alright, and then they sent a little card here, and it says, "Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself." I like that. Alright, and it says, "We gathered a few items to review. We have more handmade cosmetics cooking up for the holidays. Enjoy your goodies." So cool, I'm interested to see what they're going to be coming out with for the holidays. Alright, so let's get into the fun part now, and that is showing you guys the items. Alright, so first up is, I'm going to show the jewelry first. They did send 2 pieces of jewelry. So here are these gold hoops. I think that would be kind of gold color. And they came in this really nice little box. So I'm going to go ahead and open them and just pull them out. So they're just 2 gold hoops. I'm probably going to go ahead and put these on, to be honest. And I did look on their website, so I'll probably tell you guys what the prices are for these stuff. But I'm going to go ahead and put these on. Ooh, those are cute. Look at those. Very cute. I'm going to go ahead and put the other one on. Guys, I haven't worn earrings in so long, so I'm kind of having trouble to put them in. Not because of the actual earring, it's just because I haven't. You know when you haven't worn earrings in a while and it kind of doesn't close up completely, but it kind of makes it tough to get them back in the hole when you haven't put earrings in a while. Alright, so earrings are on. Look at those. I actually really like these. I mean, I've always wanted to have hoops, but I don't know, I just never got around to buying some. These are actually really nice. And so I think I looked on the website, and let me double check. Again, I really like this box that it comes in. I'm gonna keep those in there when I'm done wearing them. Alright, so it says on their website that these are stainless steel, and that these are only $3.99, which I think is a great price considering, I mean, they're not cheap feeling at all. I mean, they're not the heaviest earrings, but I honestly don't like heavy earrings, so I think they're just about perfect, and I don't know, I really like them. Alright, moving on. Next jewelry item they sent is this beautiful bracelet. You guys see that? It's gorgeous. So it has the little clasp on it that you just kind of, you tighten it from like right here and you just kind of pull it up, which I like these clasps because I find it a lot easier to actually put the jewelry on and not have to have like my husband or someone that clasp it for me, because I don't know, not that he minds doing that, but you know, I kind of like to be able to do it myself. So this makes it super easy to do it myself. And then you can adjust it to how tight you want it, or if you want it a little loose, you can have it that way. Anyways, there it is on, and this is my favorite bracelet ever now. Honestly, I mean, I don't own a lot of jewelry, but this is just gorgeous. This only cost $10, which I think that's a pretty fair price considering how big of a little gem you get in there, and I don't know. I think that's a pretty affordable price considering how gorgeous this is. I was thinking more like $20. Alright, so moving on, that's all the jewelry they sent me. Now I'm going to move into more of the cosmetic part of it. And first up, I've got this lip scrub here. And it says this is handcrafted. And I believe there's 2 different flavors or scents, whatever you want to say. I think, and I got the blue raspberry one, and I think they also have a peach one on here. Yeah, they have a peaches and cream, and then a blue raspberry, and I got the blue raspberry one. They sent me the blue raspberry one, and this cost, the price for this is $10, which you get a fair amount. Like, it's pretty good size. It smells really good. Now this is the one thing I haven't tried yet. I plan to probably use this after I get out of the shower. That's when I kind of like to exfoliate my lips because my, you know, the skin's a little softer after you get out of the shower, so I like to use these. So I'll be adding this to my little bathroom routine. Alright, and then they sent me 3 lip glosses. So this one is vanilla. This one is frisa con leche. I hope I'm saying that right. And then this one is Chuckles. And I actually have this one on my lips right now. I did go ahead and put like I put the Milani lip liner on first, and then I went ahead and put this on just because, like, you know, with glosses they're always a bit sheer, so I like to put lip liners underneath lip glosses just so that, you know, has a little more color to it. But this does really feel nice on the lips, and I'm for sure going to be putting, I know, the vanilla one in my purse after this video, just because I love to have lip glosses on hand, and I'm going to put a little more of this on just because right now my lips are so dry, and so they're kind of absorbing the moisture right now. But I really like how it feels. It's super soft, and it feels very moisturizing. And these lip glosses did come individually wrapped, and they had like the ingredients on the back, so if you're curious. And I think they have the ingredients on the actual website. But this trio cost $15.99 for all 3 of them, or you could buy them individually for $5.50. Which, again, you do get a lot in here. It's a pretty good amount. And a little bit goes a long way, so don't think that's a bad price at all. Alright, 2 more things and then we're done. So next up is lashes. They sent me a pair of lashes. And here are the actual lashes. They're very pretty, and I'm probably going to go ahead and apply them today, just so you guys can see them on the actual eyelid. But they gave me the style Stafina, and these cost around $12.99, which I don't think is a bad price, because lashes can get really pricey. I know that there's like $20 lashes out there, so I don't think $12.99 is a horrible price. But I am going to go ahead and try to apply these right now. Alright, do you guys see? So dramatic. They're very pretty though. Do you see that? Okay, this side I did put way too close, so it kind of like hurts right now to blink. But that was just my bad. Because, like, I'm totally not the best at putting eyelashes on. So I might have to redo that side, but they're very pretty. You can very much tell a difference between this eye and this eye. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and fix it and try to put the other one on, and then we'll move on. Alright guys, so both lashes are on. It did take me a little while. I don't have very much experience when it comes to putting on lashes, just It hasn't been something that I've practiced a whole lot of, but I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in so you guys can see. Oh my, like these make me look like, I don't know, they're very pretty. They're gorgeous and they're very dramatic, but that's okay. I mean, it's okay to have, you want to have at least one good pair of dramatic eyelashes on hand, and just saying, you know, just for one of those days that you want to be a little extra. But dang, I'm looking like bougie with my hoop earrings and my nice eyelashes and my little bling bling. But yeah, these are, you know, they're actually pretty comfortable. I think I put this one on a little wonky, so if it is, just kind of ignore it. That's my bad. But when it actually comes to the actual lashes, they're actually really, you know, they look well made. I did have to trim them down, but that's just typical with every eyelash that I've ever tried on. You always have to trim them down. And they look well made to where I'm pretty sure I could get several uses out of these if I, you know, if I take good care of them, you know, clean them after every use and everything. I'm pretty sure I could get at least 12 uses out of these, I'm pretty sure. And I don't usually put mascara on my eyelashes. I usually put on my false lashes, I usually just put them on my normal lashes and then apply the lashes. But that's just how I do it personally. But yeah, actually really pretty. Again, guys, these are in the style Stefina. I hope I'm saying that right. And these are only $12.99. Pretty good price. Alright guys, and then moving on to the last item that they sent me is a whole brush collection, and I was really surprised. Okay, so it comes in this little bag so that you guys can travel, so that if you're going to travel or anything, you have like a travel bag with the brushes, and then here are all the brushes. Alright, for this brush set, it is only $15, which I think is a pretty good price considering you get 11 brushes. Let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 11 brushes. So it comes with 4 face brushes, and if they look a little dirty, it's because I did use a couple of them. I used these two, I think, because I wanted to test them out. They are very soft. A couple of them do have kind of like a couple of stray hairs every now and then, but really, guys, for $15, I mean, pretty good still. So they're very soft. They are very dense, which is a matter of preference. I prefer more big fluffy brushes, but I know a lot of people do like the dense brushes, and you know, for certain makeup products you do need a more denser brush. And then it comes with these eye brushes. Now I use this one right here, I used as for my highlighter. So I used this one right here to apply my highlighter, and it worked wonderfully. It's loose, and I like my highlighter brush is kind of loose, so it worked pretty well. It's very soft, honestly. And the handles are very cute. And then I use these two to apply my eye makeup today. They are, you know, a little dense, I guess. I hope that's the right word. You know, a little stiff, so to say, but they do feel really soft, and I think that this would be really good for doing kind of detailed work because they're not like super huge. I really did like this one too. I really liked this one here to apply kind of like my eyeliner. I did kind of like eyeliner with my eyeshadow today, and then I really liked this one here to apply my highlights in the corner of my eye, and also in the brow, under the brow bone. This one worked really well for that. And this one has kind of like a slight angle with it, which I really like for getting in the corners here. When I apply my darker like eyeshadows to kind of like deepen the corners a little bit, this one here worked really well for that. So overall, I really like a lot of these brushes, and I'm going to be using them a lot more because I've been needing new brushes, honestly. And like I said, I really like this one for highlight. Kind of worked perfectly. So again, 11 brushes for only $15. I don't think you guys can beat that deal. Especially because, like, you know, they're not super heavy, but they're not like super cheap filling either. And the handles are really pretty. Let me give you a close-up of the handles. Alrighty guys, and that is everything. But yeah guys, that's going to do it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up so that I know that you like seeing these types of videos. And again, thank you again so much, Aviva Cosmetics, for sending me these products to review. I will have their Instagram and their website linked down below in the description box so that you guys can go check them out. But yeah, that's going to do it for today, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend, and I will catch you guys in my next video.